Welcome to News Lot. I saw the Indonesian plane crashing into sea, it exploded in water, fishermen. Indonesian authorities have said they have found the location where they believe a Boeing 737 passenger plane crashed into the sea shortly after takeoff from the country's capital Jakarta on Saturday. The Sriwijaya Airjet was carrying 62 people. Rescuers pulled out body parts, pieces of clothing and scraps of metal from the Java Sea early Sunday morning, officials said. Thank you for watching News Lot. Goodbye.